Nupur Sheoran of India in action in the women's 80 plus kg semi-finals, the second of the night, or of the afternoon I should say, up against Mariia Lovchynska of Ukraine.
Weight category. In the red corner, representing India, Nupur.
27 years of age, one of the most legendary boxers, and comes from an established family. Her grandfather Hava Singh was an Asian Games champion on successive occasions in 1966 and 1970. Her father Sanjay Kumar has also been a fabulous boxer in his own right, and now she's carrying on that family tradition in her own style. But this is going to be a difficult matchup for her, because Lovchynska is also a pretty special player herself. European champion in 2022, when the European Championships were played in Montenegro in Serbia. Mariia Lovchynska of Ukraine has a good body of work, and she'll want to bring that experience as well. Yet again, another match where there's a slight or a significant height difference between the two boxers, which could influence their style. And Nupur Sheoran will do very well to take a leaf out of how Altinoy Sotimboeva approached her clash against Asel Toksasin. Make sure you stay away from the punching range of your opponent, because you know that somebody who's a little shorter but very strong can influence the outcome with a big hard punch from time to time. Building up towards the final few bouts. This afternoon session. All the technical checks pretty much out of the way. A quick word to both of the boxers to keep it clean. And we are set to go. Nupur Sheoran, the champion from Astana in the World Cup. Silver medalist from the Liverpool World Championships this year. Loads of experience for the 27-year-old. And she'll try and translate that into a positive outcome against her Ukrainian opponent. Already, Lovchynska doing an interesting tactic of her own, trying to stay away from the reach of Nupur. And then looking to move in swiftly with some punches of her own. Sometimes the psychological battle early can also be quite important. And that's what she seems to be trying to engage in. One thing's for sure, the crowd at Greater Noida has just made all of these home bouts quite feisty, quite interesting, and quite supportive for all the Indian boxers. Loud cheering all the way through. Nupur's finding it difficult now to break into the defense. Lovchynska has just varied her own strategy from time to time. Not been as attacking as we just saw in the previous bout from Toktasin. Couple of occasions where Lovchynska has just barged into her opponent and just getting a word from the official. been a pit-stop start. It's not really had any fluency this first round. How will the judges assess what's happened so far? Some useful punches have been thrown in by Lovchynska. There have also been occasions when she's just looked a little over-eager. No official warning yet, at least not from what we've seen thus far. Nupur needs to finish this round well. Both boxers fighting for a place in the final of the women's super heavyweight 80 plus. No real momentum behind either boxer. Nupur Sheoran, the home favourite, coming out in red. And Mariia Lovchynska from Ukraine, just trying to upset the momentum, just trying to rock the boat from time to time. Nupur Sheoran seemingly getting some of the more important blows through, because that will be reflected in the scores. All 5 judges going with the home boxer Nupur in this particular case so far. Lovchynska will have to realize that she wasn't far behind. She was able to upset Nupur's normal fluency to a great extent. That's why Nupur now is looking to be a bit more positive at the start of this round. Moving in with her guard down. Both boxers getting a bit of a talking to. Nupur certainly looking to vary up her tactics a lot more in this second round. Moving up the gears. Lovchynska occupying the center of the ring, but sometimes it gives you the illusion of control rather than actual control. For a brief while, both boxers with their guard down, urging the other to come onto them. It's the element of surprise in some of these tactics from Nupur, which seem to have just caught Lovchynska off guard. Into the last minute, round 2 of 3. Not much in it yet again in this round, but you would think that Nupur has been the one who has decided, or rather landed a few more decisive blows. Using her reach well, she's defending quite nicely. She's also taking a lot out of Lovchynska just by forcing the opponent to chase her around the ring quite often. Two out of 3 rounds done. Nupur Sheoran so far looking like the one in control. There was a lot more attacking intent shown by Mariia Lovchynska, but often It was something that Nupur was happy to concede, and also defending well from a distance, landing some of those lefts and rights with her reach. And that's probably why Nupur Sheoran at the moment is in control of this match, with the second round also going decisively in her favor. All 5 judges giving this to her. How does she come back into it? Lovchynska. Very early on, the headgear requiring a little bit of adjustment. Sheoran's going the home boxer's way, which is why Mariia Lovchynska needs to do something effective, dramatic, different. Nupur's been sent sprawling a few times in this bout, but not as a result of punches more often than not. It's a good aggressive start after that restart by Lovchynska. This is smart tactics though. Nupur staying safe distance away from Lovchynska. She's the more mobile of the two boxers and using that mobility to her effect. That of course won't count. Got her guard down. She wants the Ukrainian to come at her and to seize upon every counter-punching possibility. It's all about game management at this stage for Nupur Sheoran. By far the more fancied of the two boxers in this match. Each of these breaks just helps her. Chin strap seems to have come off in the headgear. That might need a little bit of repairs. Got that on quite tight for a brief while. Left eye also getting covered in the process before it was adjusted. I think before long the official will also observe that there's also a little bit of a malfunction with the other headgear. Yes. So now it will be Lovchynska who will have to get hers either changed or replaced. It just needs to be strapped in, that's it. On we go. Comes out with a couple of heavy punches, the Ukrainian. Getting a little messy. There could be a warning or two. Just a verbal one at the moment. Getting intense. Battle to try and find a place in the final. Nupur Sheoran, you would think, has the control or the reins of this match in her hands. But Mariia Lovchynska is also putting up a game fight in this third round, looking to move in for the kill. Can she land that punch to upset the apple cart? Score in her favor, tactics in her favor for Nupur. Still got enough energy to keep herself away from Ukrainians' punching range. Into the last 10 seconds. Nupur Sheoran of India seems to have done enough, although Mariia Lovchynska is also celebrating. It was a much closer third round where Lovchynska was a lot more positive for a majority of it. But Nupur right through this round has used her reach, her defense very effectively. Been a good masterclass in terms of how to fight against somebody who's shorter but stronger than you. Decision awaited. Will it be another finals appearance for the home nation, India?
On points by unanimous decision. In the red corner, representing.
Of course it will be.
India,
Nupur Sheoran was excellent all the way through. Controlled it from the very first round. And she emerges victorious by unanimous verdict. This was a match which needed a little bit more management from her side. Thanks to the fact that Lovchynska, especially as the match bore on, took to take a little bit of initiative. There were some occasions when the match also had to be stopped. Some headgear issues as well. But Nupur Sheoran rolls on and sets up a final date against Oltinoy Sotimboeva of Uzbekistan.